Hey guys, I'm Ori Milzafari and this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm here to talk about cryptocurrency, the big hot topic at the moment. I've been in the scene for about 2 months, looking at all the ICOs, learning everything from scratch, speaking to some traders that I know. They taught me a lot. And I've learned so much from YouTube as well, from some of the big YouTubers I'm sure you guys follow. So why have I joined YouTube? I feel like I've learned a lot from the community and I want to give something back to the community as well. And just have you guys follow my journey. And it's something to look back on and see and reflect on and see, you know, where I was right and where I was wrong. Because looking over the last 2 months, there's been so much that I thought would happen that has happened, and it's paid off massively. I now do this full time, believe it or not. I never thought I would, but you know, with the gains that I've made, taking profits off the table, I've made, you know, some what I would consider good money. I want to share that with you, and I hope as a community we can all make good money and make smart decisions and point each other in the right directions. I'm not here to give financial advice, but I would love for you guys to join me on this journey. So if you could subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you get instant access to any ICOs that I've literally just discovered, anything news, politics. Obviously everything is changing around the world so quickly. Currently the South Korea banning, and now they're not banning, news and everything else that's been going on. I've been trying to follow that all day and just sit here on the computer, follow it so I can share that with other people. And hopefully now I'm going to be sharing it with you. So yeah, if you could just hit the bell, subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up. It's my first ever video on YouTube. So nice to meet you all. If you could comment below any of the cryptos you're hot on at the moment, share any of your thoughts, that'd be great. So take care, guys.